How to find deleted photos on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can find deleted photos on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open your photos gallery and then you're going to scroll down till you find the option that says recently deleted. So simply click on recently deleted and you can use Face ID to view this album. Click on view album, verify using Face ID. Oops, it didn't recognize me. Okay, and now you can see all of the deleted photos over here, and then you can simply click on a specific photo and you can simply restore that. However, if you're not able to restore that from here because you might have deleted from recently deleted as well, you need to make sure that your phone has linked to iCloud and it is synced to iCloud. Basically, all of the photos need to be synced to iCloud automatically. So in order to restore your photo from your deleted photo from iCloud, you could head over to your settings and then you're going to click on your account over here. After that, you're going to click on iCloud. And here you're going to click on photos and sync. You can see that this is not synced right now, but you can just toggle it on. And if it is synced, you'll be able to restore all of your photos from iCloud. And you can also try going to the iCloud website. Just open your Safari. Here you can simply, type in iCloud.com and press go. And after that, you can sign into your iCloud and, retrieve your photos from here. And there's also another option that you can back up your whole phone, and after that you can restore your phone, and after that you can back up from the backup vault and all of your pictures will be restored again. So those are a couple of ways how you can find deleted photos on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.